Hello and welcome back to Bring Us Along Virtual Nature Tours, Episode 4. My name's Brandon, and today we're bringing you here to Vernon Park in the Germantown neighborhood of Philadelphia. More than any other park we visited so far, Vernon Park has got tons of local history and culture. Inside the park you'll find monuments, historic buildings, and works of art. The character of the park is also formed by all the organizations that work within it, including Center in the Park, a community center for older folks, the Black Writers Museum located inside the historic Vernon House, TTF Watershed Partnership, who installed this rain garden, and Friends of Vernon Park, a volunteer organization that engages with the community and keeps the park beautiful. As you'll learn soon, this park is full of great surprises. Let's go see what we can find. When I saw this tree for the first time at Vernon Park, I was blown away. The common prickly ash almost looks like a desert or tropical plant, covered with huge bumps and thorns along the tree bark and into the branches. Surprisingly, it's native to Pennsylvania and other states across the Midwestern US. This plant does look like an ash. Compare these leaves to the leaves of the green ash, another tree you can find in Vernon Park. The common prickly ash isn't really an ash though. It's actually a member of the citrus family, closer related to lemons and oranges. And because it's in the citrus family, it attracts an amazing butterfly, the eastern giant swallowtail. This is the biggest butterfly in North America, and its caterpillars love eating citrus plants. So if you want to see the continent's biggest butterfly in your backyard, consider planting the common prickly ash. Behind me right now is an eastern gray squirrel. They're the most common squirrel in Pennsylvania. If you've seen one hopping around your neighborhood, it's probably this species. They use their bushy tails to balance as they jump from tree to tree and run away from predators like cats and foxes and owls. They're also extremely important to our ecosystems. Squirrels bury nuts underground for storage, and sometimes when they forget about them, those nuts and acorns turn into brand new forests. Although they're really common, we definitely need our squirrels. The next time you're walking around the rain garden, admiring the pollinators and beautiful plants, the brilliant red color of a cardinal flower might take you by surprise. This water-loving plant does really well in a rain garden, and is usually found in the wild along streams and in swampy areas. Not too many of our native plants produce a red flower, so they really stick out in a sea of green. And they don't just stand out to our eyes. The cardinal flower is one of the favorite plants of the ruby-throated hummingbird. That's one reason why most hummingbird feeders are painted red. The birds seem to be very attracted to that color. Beside the color, this flower is also perfect for hummingbirds because of the shape. If you look closely, you'll notice that each flower has a long tube shape, and all the tasty nectar sits at the bottom of that tube. That makes the long, skinny beak of a hummingbird the perfect shape to get to the prize that many other pollinators can't reach. The gray catbird's loud, meowing call is pretty commonly heard in southeastern PA. Their habit of hiding in shrubs and bushes can make them hard to see, but wait long enough and you're likely to spot one. A shrub full of berries is a good place to start looking. About half of their diet is made up of berries and small fruits. The appearance of a catbird is mostly plain, gray all over with a dark cap and some rusty red feathers under a dark tail. It's about the size of a robin and is part of the mockingbird family, which means that it can copy bird songs and sounds that it's heard before. One explanation why mockingbirds and catbirds copy other sounds is that it might help them attract a mate. Males who learn and master a lot of different songs are proving that they've been around for a while and would probably know what to do when it comes to survival and raising a nest of chicks. When it comes to being a good dad, experience can make a big difference. Thanks a lot for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the adventure. Please come back for the next episode, number 5 in the series. But until then, we'll see you around the watershed.